This is the WORKPRO 3-piece plier set. Company sent me this product, check it out, and make a video for it, so let's do it. And it arrived just like this. And inside the box, packed nicely in bubble wrap, you're going to get the 3-piece plier set. They come in blue or red. I got the red, obviously. I work on guitars a lot. I work on some stuff with my car, and I do a lot of DIY stuff around the house, so it's cool to have a versatile little set of pliers for all the different scenarios that you might run into on a daily basis. And these are made from heat-treated premium drop-forged carbon steel. I already said they came packed in bubble wrap, but they also had a second plastic covering on them because they were pre-oiled right out of the factory to prevent rust when they were shipping and being stored. You're going to want to wipe that off before using them. You're going to get a set of 6-inch needle nose pliers. These are great for getting into hard-to-reach spaces and for dealing with some of the smaller parts you might have in your project or repair. I use them a lot when I'm soldering. They're great for shaping wire into the way you want it. And they're great for holding on to stuff when I can't get my hands too close and I want to solder in like a joint and I have a limited space to do it in, especially when I got to go inside of like the cavity of a guitar. They're great for crimping all kinds of small items like screws or rings or, getting into narrow spots. We have the 6-inch long slip joint pliers. These are the pliers that everyone has at least one pair of around the house. Multi-use, multi-purpose pliers. They have 2 adjustable sizes and they have serrated jaws for gripping power. These are great for nuts and bolts for use under the hood of a car or if you're just working on anything around the house, really. Kind of stuff where you just grab them real quick to get the job done. And we have the 8-inch groove joint pliers or channel locks. 8 inches long, not the big set, not the small set, but right in the middle. Again, another type of multi-use pliers that everyone has in their toolbox. They have adjustable jaws that open up to about 1.25 inches to accommodate a variety of sizes, be they nuts and bolts, plumbing stuff, just so many various scenarios for the channel locks, the groove joint pliers. The handles on all of these are very soft, very comfortable, very ergonomic feeling. They're easy to grip, easy to hold on to. So there you go. I can think of a ton of uses for each of these pliers. Obviously great for the trades, great for HVAC work, appliance repair, electricians, mechanics, anyone that works with tools. Great to have on hand and ready to go if you're a DIY guy like myself. Very nice.